Thank you, Jansi Garu. Andarki namaskaram. Thank you all for coming. And first of all, I'd like to thank my little kid brother Rakhil. Papa, he was shooting till about 7, and today, all of you all know that his movie is coming up, and also Lakshmi, my well-wishers, and Rakul, Raj Kandukuri garu, and Madhura Sridhar garu. మీరు చాలా తక్కువ మంది సినిమా అంటే తక్కువ మందిలో ఉన్నారు సినిమా చూసిన వాళ్ళలో. Thank you for appreciating the movie, and first of all, I think since this is a pre-release, I don't think this is an audio launch, so like I'd like to thank Shravan first. Like, you know, this music is just unbelievable. Even Akhil was just sitting and telling me that, wow, this is amazing, Ani. And this is the first time he heard it. So that's a good sign. And well, what can I say? Well, the two people that I really want to thank here, first of all, Gautam. It's so accidentally, kada ela jarigindante, like, you know, I think he kept emailing me, and for the first I think for the first like 3-4 months, I ignored him. I didn't know what was there, because I get so many people who want to come like and narrate scripts, and somehow it just happened, and I was just blown away. Like, you know, when he narrated the script to me, 2 hours, you know, he narrated everything to me. By the end of it, I had tears in my eyes, and on top of that, on top of that, like, you know, he shot part of the movie, like a test reel of the movie, the kids episode, and he brought it to me. I was like, nobody came this prepared. Nobody. Like, I've worked in 22 films. I think probably maybe Godavari and Golconda High School were, like, you know, on this level of preparation. But this, like, you know, no one came and shot a test shoot of a sequence of the movie and came to me. So I just blindly, I said, this is it. Like, you know, this was so baked. And we finished the film. Chala mandi anukochu cinema chuttesarani. But 10 months subranga pre-production chesaka, we finished the shooting in 30 days. That's how it should be done. That's how it should. And hats off to Rahul, like the debutant producer. Hats off. నేను అడిగాను, మా అన్నపూర్ణ స్టూడియోస్ ఉంది, ఏదైనా హెల్ప్ కావాలంటే ఒకసారి చెప్పండి, నేను యునో వీ హ్యావ్ స్టాఫ్, లైక్ యునో ఫస్ట్ టైం ప్రొడ్యూసర్, ఎనీ అడ్వైస్ వీ షుడ్ బి టేకింగ్ అడ్వైస్ ఫ్రమ్ యూ సీరియస్లీ, బికాస్ ద వే యూ ఎగ్జిక్యూటెడ్ దిస్ ఫిల్మ్ ఇస్ జస్ట్ హ్యాట్స్ ఆఫ్. అండ్ of course, my beautiful co-star Akanksha, welcome to the Telugu film industry. I'm so surprised that you haven't debuted earlier, and this is going to be the first of many for you. You're beautiful, you're talented, and you're professional, and it's just going to get you places. Want Telugu, the Tollywood audiences, everyone, you have a wonderful heroine coming your way. Please be prepared. And also, like, my entire perna, like, you know, I'm forgetting a few people, but like everyone, like the cast, you know, Mirchi Kiran garu, Abhinav, like all of you all, and the kids. You're not kids, I know you're not kids, but like that, the highlight of this film, like visually the highlight of this film, acting, it's not, I personally thought, like, you know, it's a childhood episode. It's a childhood episode, and I was just telling Rakul, like, you know, that she missed you. You know, you look a little bit like Rakul. A lot of people tell you that, right? And she also was like, yeah, she looks like me. Anyway, I'm so happy that the way this, and thank you all for having the trailer go viral. Maaku koncham baada esindi trailer chala late ga release chesavani, but almost 2 days lo 3 million consolidated views almost raavatam anedi, it's not a small thing for a film like this. It's not a small thing. And see, we took a chance. Ippudu chaala cinemaalo trailer cinemaalo, you know, we have a lot of comedy, we have a lot of entertainment, but we didn't put it in the trailer, and we didn't want it to disturb the soul of the film, despite the fact that, you know, usually, like, you know, these so-called commercial elements like comedy and entertainment, I pettakundane aa trailer, it just has like, you know, pain and love and heartbreak. So just with these three are not viral emotions actually, like generally at least for Telugu audiences, and I thank all the people for having this trailer go viral, and people are genuinely talking about it. And I've always said this, like this is my most honest film I've done since Godavari. And at least as far as I'm just so happy, I was just myself. I didn't work hard on this cinema lo. Everything just came naturally to me. That's why Akhil said, like, I look good in pain. Like, maybe I get it from the original Devdas. Yeah, so maybe I look good, like, when I'm crying and angry and sad. Maybe. But anyway, this is not a moment to feel all those emotions here. I'm just like very blessed, thankful, and thank you all for coming. And we made a very honest effort. ఒక నిజాయితీ ఉన్న సినిమా దీంట్లో ఈ సినిమాలో పూర్తిగా ఉంది. There is truth and there's honesty, and we won't disappoint you on December 8th. Okay? Look forward to seeing you in theaters there. Thank you.